All right, let's take a look at the long lunge. I've got a support here that I'm going to hang on to. I'm going to reach this leg out. This is a really good exercise for the hip flexor. I'm going to reach that front leg out, posting it, and I'm going to pull my toes back, so dorsiflexing. And I don't want to be too far forward here. I don't want to be straight with this front leg like the front splits. We want to be about here. So you are feeling a little stretch through that front leg, but we're really concentrating on that back hip flexor. Once you set up in this position here, nice and long through the front, and then long through here as well, we're going to place the ball of the foot on the ground, and the toes are tucked under. And what we're going to try to work on here is either for doing reps or contract and relax, we're going to lift this knee off the ground and at the same time push the heel backwards, trying not to lift the hip up too high. We want to open this hip flexor, really stretch it out, strengthen it, lock the leg out, so flex the quad, lock the knee out, and push that heel back behind us. So we do about a 5-second contract, squeeze, 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 and then we drop and allow this hip flexor to melt to the ground after every rep. Once you've done the contraction, just spend some time here, breathe, and then you'll be ready for another round. So I go here, keep that hip nice and square, and then I push back, drive backwards, use the support. Actually, one other tip as well is using this, so we're not pulling, but we're pushing away. So you'll feel like the weight is coming into that hip flexor. So I push away from the bar, push that heel back, squeeze, 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 nice and straight, squeeze, and then drop, and allow it to open up. Woo!